1. Answer the following questions. Question 1. A. Who are there in Madhu's family? Answer. In Madhu's family there are her grandfather, grandmother, mother, father, and her brother Monu. Question 1. B. With whom did Madhu go to the market? Answer. Madhu went to the market with her grandfather. Question 1. C. Who gave the medicine to grandmother? Answer. Monu gave the medicine to grandmother. Question 1. D. What did mother ask to bring from the market? Answer. Mother asked to bring pen for Monu and thread from the market. Question 1. A. What is known as the first school of learning? Answer. Family is known as the first school of learning. Question 1. If what do we do together in our family? Answer. We work, we eat. We celebrate festivals, we go for outing etc. together in our family. Question 1. G. What would Madhu and Monu buy with the money saved in the piggy bank? Answer. Madhu and Monu will buy a study table with the money saved in the piggy bank. Question 1. H. What works are done in Madhu's family? Answer. Madhu's family does farming and irons clothes too. Question 2. Put tick against the correct statements and cross the incorrect statements. Answer to A. There are only her father and mother in Madhu's home. B. Madhu and Monu help in household work. C. Families are first school. D. Madhu and Monu take care of plants and trees. A. Grandfather does not look after all the members of the family. F. Sheetal's father and uncle work in the city. G. Madhu did not greet Suresh uncle. Question 3. Who does the following works in your family? Answer. Works. Who does it? Cooking. Mother serving food, sister filling water, uncle washing clothes, mother farming, father selling vegetables and grains, grandfather helping in studies. Auntie. Question 4. What have you learned from the members of your family? Answer. From your grandfather, plants caring, grandmother, stories, mother, cooking, father, farming. Question 5. Draw a picture of your family or paste a photograph. Answer. अपने आप करें.